What up, gang? And we back. I know it's been a little minute, but man, I just been trying to grind, get back in the flow, working, trying to stack my money, do what I gotta do for the family or whatever. But y'all, I got some more stuff for y'all to do for the Camaro. As you see, I got a new hood. Went back to the factory hood because I definitely wanted to do the track spec louvers. So found me a good little hood for $50 out there in Savannah, Georgia. Good shape. So I just gotta drop it off and bolt up the louvers or whatever. And that's about it. So quick little update. Got everything situated or whatever. Still waiting to order the wire harness and the dash. Got the exhaust. I'm finna, record and put on for y'all. I'm only gonna do the rear section, but just because I have to get from the headers to the X pipe fabbed. Cause I went with the Speed Engineering 4th gen rear exhaust kit. And with the headers and everything from the 4th gen, they stick out from the subframe instead of in. So I gotta get that fabbed up and trying to get that exact sound that I want. I've been doing some research. I know I gotta do equal length from the headers to the X pipe to get that sound that I want. So that's kind of another reason why I went with this exhaust. And then I like the tips. I mean, 3-inch all the way back. LS is like to breathe, so why not? So put that on for y'all today. I did skip a step. That was just to do the pan hair bar relocation kit. I did that already, because I was just so anxious. I'd be ready to get stuff done, and then I'd be like, dang, I ain't record nothing for y'all. So let me set up everything else, and we can get right into it. All right, y'all. We up under the car. Get some bitch footage as I can. See how we can run these pipes, y'all. I want to say this goes like that. Okay. Oh. Just looking to see what needs to change far as exhaust. This shit, I think it's, I don't know if it's laying on it or not. No, I think this brake line is laying on it. I can't really tell if it's hitting it or not. I don't think it is. But if it is, I'm gonna have to figure something out. I know I gotta take this old exhaust mount off when I had the True Dude dumps. But we're gonna figure something out. Let's see what we can do. Hopefully I ain't got him in on the wrong side. I don't think I do, but let me do some research right quick again. Hold on, y'all.
What if I change the way the hanger goes? Let's see if that changes it. This is just a mock-up, y'all. I'm not really planning to leave them like this because I'm going to take it to the machine shop. Goddamn. I'm going to take it to the exhaust shop and let them weld these parts, the rear part together, and fab up front of the X pipe. Let's put this cross pipe on. Yeah. Okay. This is starting to look like an exhaust now. So, these are what I see.
Alright, so far this is what we got. It's starting to actually look pretty good, y'all. Now I just gotta put the cross member, X pipe up there so I see where it's gonna be at. Not too much worried about the cross member and how it, hangs down, because I'm on big ram, so I'm not really worrying about, the lowest point of the car, whether it's, ground to cross member clearance. I don't care about that. But so far so good. I do got to take that old exhaust mount off. Take it off right there too. Probably get to that right now, but let's look and see how the rear looks. So far so good. That's exactly how it looks right now. Starting to look like something. My OCD starting to kick in. I don't like the way one side stick out further than the other, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. Kind of like it to fit like that one, but this side definitely got to be pushed in or something. So let's figure that out. What up, gang? We back. Took a little break. Excuse me. But you see it. It's also all done. Well, not done, because I still gotta put the X pipe on or whatever. But I was trying to figure out, trying to tuck these tips back in, but I think I got them where I kind of think I'll be able to just deal with them or whatever. But that's what we gonna do. How it's looking up underneath. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Looking a little spiffy. Gotta clean up under there a little bit, but about to get this X pipe installed and go from there. That's gonna be about what I do for right now until I order that wire harness, get that first startup going, and schedule me an appointment to get this exhaust all ran. But I'll probably schedule the exhaust first, then get the wire harness, because I want to have that done so when that first startup come, I can truly see how it sounds. Because I don't want to hear all that damn open headers and all that shit. It should be loud as hell. But let me get back to work and get up under the car. Be right back. my eye on that. I mean, it could be why I had it level putting it in. I don't see no other leaks. I don't see where it could be leaking from. I'm not really gonna stress it. Really about it, I really just need to throw some oil in this motherfucker. Oil, engine oil and transmission oil. Transmission fluid, you know what I'm saying, oil, whatever. Other than that, y'all, that's really all we waiting on is damn wire harness. Oh, I gotta get a starter. The one I had is just, I guess it wasn't, cause it just died. But for right now, seems like the exhaust is in. I don't really need this jack stand holding it up, to be honest. So, see how far it hang if take it off. It don't hang too low, just sitting on that drive shaft, so yeah, I don't see nothing, no issues with it. I don't see where it's gonna cause any issues. Probably could just zip tie this e-brake cable. I could just leave it there. Shit. And it's nowhere near my fuel filter, so that's a good thing. I could wrap it with some heat wrap, or whatever you call it, but that's really not in the way. I was more worried about it being in the way of the drive shaft, but it's not. So another plus. So far so good. Trying to make me wish I had a rotisserie. Put this damn car on, get this undercarriage how I truly would like it. But man, I'm not even gonna fucking stress it now. It's just, I'm ready to slide. So, let's see what oh, it could be leaking from the fuel plug. That's probably what it is. Yeah, because I feel it's right around the fuel plug. Okay, I know what I need to do to fix that, like I did on that LT1 I had. So it's a good thing. That's really about it for right now. So little road rash. Not sure how, but probably when I was on 22s that probably happened. But I'm back on foes now, so I don't really care about ground clearance. Yeah, so that about wraps it up for right now on the exhaust. I am about to take my seats and stuff out. Waiting on my console to get done. But just want to take my seats out. I kind of want to take my carpet out, either get new carpet or clean it up or whatever, but I'm not really stressing it. Trying to find me some 4th gen seats to get redone, because I really don't want to redo my factory seats, because ain't nothing really wrong with them besides the seatbelt holder on the side of the headrest is missing. But other than that, man, ain't nothing wrong with my seats. Really about it. Sunburn on the carpet, but we getting there. I will have power back in the inside once I get the starter put on, but you know, voltmeter working. Still got to order the dash. Y'all see the steering wheel. Facebook Market came in clutch. I just gotta redo these corners or whatever. And no, it kind of don't match, but it looked better than that wrinkled plastic dash. So I just threw that in there for the time being, you know, or whatever. But it kind of looks good. That brand new window make a big difference too, so I like that. I'm just ready to start. I'm ready to hit this motherfucker, to be honest. But for real, you know, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share. Please share, y'all. We growing, but we growing slowly. So I'm not mad at that, but let's continue to grow. If y'all wanna see me do anything else on the channel, just comment below or hit me on my Instagram. Instagram will be in my bio. But I'm gonna try to tinker with some other stuff off the camera, and I'll cut y'all back on when I got some other stuff going on. All right.